Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today. So Pepe is still down, and I think that the story to actually fall and retest the falling wedge is still not done. And right now Pepe is trying to create a pattern as well, but so I have to keep you updated about this little bit of a pattern here is going on. So I think that we have to go step by step. Now before you go down, if Pepe wants to pump from here, then you have to really keep an eye on this pattern because it's important. Right now you have been rejected a couple of times. You can see on the 15 minutes time frame this is some few rejection, and then you pumped up again, you got rejected in here. Now you could actually pump here again, you could get rejection, and you could do a fake out and then go down as well. That's another thing. Or you can just actually pump from this place and you can do something like this, retest, and then you slowly just start to go on to the upside. And we could consider a scalping opportunity, and this scalping opportunity can actually give you a price achievement from top to bottom here, and this can actually be a 7.5 to 8% reward for whatever pattern you're creating right now. Otherwise, if you just get rejected, then I think you're going to go down. Now this is one pattern that is getting printed out on the weekly as well. I think that the weekly closing is about to get a little bit positive in here, because you're just having a green candle next to the red candle, so there is a potential of seeing next week being a little bit green as well. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. Now the thing is that I really do not know if next week is going to be green, but one thing I will definitely say is that this pattern is something you have to keep an eye on. If as soon as Pepe starts to break above the pattern, then understand that there's a very, very small relief of 7% that can happen in between. So the maximum time I think we're looking at now is going to be from there to there, and this could actually be until 29th of June. So yeah, within the next 24 hours we should actually see what really does happen. Now let's say a lot of people are going to get very bullish at resistance, so don't do that. This is just resistance, and don't try to trade near resistances. If it actually pops up, retest, and then goes up, then that will be an absolutely amazing stuff. Otherwise, be careful, because at the end of the day you could still get rejected at resistance, and then you could actually go to the downside. One more thing is that Bitcoin is also at resistance. So if you see Bitcoin, I'm actually going to fix this trend line right over here, and it looks something like this. So if I do zoom out a little bit, probably go back to 1 hour time frame here, and you can see the 1 hour time frame as well. So we have one touch here, got another one here, rejection, and then another rejection right over there. And for the first time Bitcoin dropped down, second time Bitcoin did drop down, it has dropped a little bit from here, and there's a potential it could still drop from there. So be careful about Pepe. Both of these, Pepe and Bitcoin, as I've shown you now, are at resistance. So be very, very careful moving forward. And we're still opened up for the private of July and Q3, and we still have like 2 days to close that. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.